Now I'm going to present my action plan. As WPA, we have decided that this time we also showed our action plan in the next year because the presidential tenure is only 1 year in our society. 1 year action plan for the Indian Psychiatric Society from 2021 to 2022. Number one, we'll give definitely very much emphasis on education, training and research. Number two, we'll do collaboration and partnership with the government and other agencies. Number three, advocacy in the field of mental health. Collaboration with the International Psychiatric Association, as already mentioned some by our outgoing president, Professor P.K. Dalal. National Suicide Helpline we will develop and liaison with other medical specialties. In the education and training and research, have a separate academic wing of IPS and selected subcommittee. The academic will have the following subcommittees, task forces, and reportable to it and under its wing. Next. One CME committee, which compromises two wings. CME for the roster of IPS activities. The CME committee will oversee the calendar of the activities of Indian Psychiatric Society, and also each zone will be given themes for this year so that they replicate the similar scientific session in their zones, creating a standardization of the activities all around. Number two is digital CME for ongoing psychiatric training, education to work further on the theme of the smart psychiatry, which was launched last year at ANSIPS 2020. Develop online CME programs with the credit hours for the trainees, junior psychiatrists. We need to divide these into training CMEs, which will be held throughout the year, and the CME hosted by various subcommittees, which can easily merge digitally and avoid overpresence in an office platform. The academic wing actually will facilitate all this and will try to see that the calendar is neither overloaded nor bare. Number two is postgraduate training committee. This committee will liaison with the college across the country to ensure a standard of education and is maintained across. The committee can have a surveillance audits and checks to ensure that all centers provided a baseline education to the psychiatric trainees. It will also oversee PDF, DM and higher courses also. As also Dr. Gangadhar suggested, we can also see about the DNB courses. And we will talk about the undergraduate training committee. Objectives will be have a separate paper for the psychiatry and recognition in the undergraduate training. The committee will oversee the curriculum and the method of training for the UG students. The pandemic has increased the acceptance among all the mental health is a priority, and we should capitalize on this. Research and Education Foundation. Develop a national level registry for less research entities. Promote multi-centric studies and research on the mental health issues under the agencies of Research and Education Foundation of Indian Psychiatric Society. And also promote more publication under the agencies of IPS. We do collaboration and partnership with the government and other agencies. I'm not detailing, but we'll work with the government and the policymakers, increase the reservation for the people with the mental illness, and also we'll work with the media. Number three, advocacy in the mental health. I'll definitely describe this and more elaborately in my presidential address. This is the topic for my presidential address. And collaboration with the International Psychiatry Society like WPA, Royal College of Psychiatry, BIPA, World Federation of Societies of Biological Psychiatry, International Alliance for the Mental Health, Royal Australian and New Zealand, and SARC. With many we have signed more, but we will be taking forward this discussion of collaborative and partnership working with the others to take IPS to the global platform. And National Suicide Helpline, we'll definitely do it. We'll research it, how much is effective. If it will save one life, it is important. This is one of the most immediate and urgent action plans, and I wish to achieve this start of my tenure. Liaison with other medical specialties, will develop certificate courses for the non-psychiatric medical professionals on different mental health topics. These will train professionals in their other specialties to assess and identify the mental health issues at an early stage. Liaison psychiatric services will be developed specially focusing on the services with the internal medicine, community medicine, and the pediatric medicine. And the last point was suggested by Professor Gangadhar yesterday night also. I include that. And thank you so much.